No, governor's position is very important as per the constitution. It is the constitutional head as far as the state is concerned. But similarly, there is an executive. The government is an executive, and we have government as government. We all have responsibilities, and defined roles have to be played by both of them. And you cannot cross in each one cannot cross others role. But in this context, I don't know, for the first time in our state, governor is writing to government on every issue which somebody gives a representation, immediately writes to the government, and this we have not seen before. I think uh, now on we will see. We will also be extra careful. Let the governor do his role, and let our government we do our role.